if-or function in Microsoft Office Excel. This is my example that I use if-or function in Excel. I used if-or function like in Formular. Read my example in this practice, please. Let's say you want to give a discount to customers who are either premium members or have spent more than $500. If column the customer has word premium in any cells, or column total spent more than $500. Need to show eligible for discount. Let's style with my practice. First, remove formulas in cells. Press equals and type if, open parenthesis, press or, open parenthesis. Click on first cell of the customer column. Equals premium. Click on first cell of the total spent column. Is more than $500. Show the result is eligible for discount. After press comma and type value false. In the value false is not discount. After close the parentheses. And press enter. That is outcome that using if-or function in Excel. Now I explain with formula result. The result eligibility for discount show this cell because the customer column has word premium. The result eligibility for discount show this cell because the total spent column has balance is more than $500. This result is the same. After you watch this video, I hope that you can use if-or function in Excel. Thank you for your lovely sharing. See you in next video. Subscribe for more.